All right, let's try this again, guys. So we were talking about not every customer is your customer. And I was sharing a story with you guys. I went to do a house and gave this lady wanted an estimate for everything. She wanted an estimate for pressure washing of her house, her driveway, around her pool. I mean, she wanted an estimate for everything. And then she wanted an estimate for window cleaning. Anything that we offered, she wanted an estimate for. So we get there to do this estimate, right? And she's like, dude, I want to walk with you, and I want to know exactly how you're going to price everything. I'm just like, okay, come on, let's walk together. So we do the driveway, and I tell her a price for the driveway, and the driveway's like $145 or something like that. It's like, something $150. This is beginning when we weren't that expensive, and I say $145, and her response is, oh, my lawn guy can do it for cheaper, and I'm just like, whatever. So we get to the next parts around the pool. I say $165, and she says, oh, that's too much money. And then we get around to her little bitty patio, and I say, oh, that's $65. And she's like, oh. So by the third time this lady says we're too expensive, I just reach out my hand and I say, ma'am, I said, obviously we're not the company for you. What you're looking for is the best price, and what we provide is the best value. We don't provide the best price. And her response to that was, no, I'm not looking for the cheapest. I'm looking for the best. And I'm like, no, ma'am, you're looking for the cheapest, right? Long story short, a couple days goes by, and she calls us and says, I want you guys to do my house. I want you guys to do the service. And I said, no, ma'am, I don't think we're the right company for you. I don't think you're going to be happy when it's all said and done. And long story short, she talked us into it. So we ended up doing this job for her. And at the end of the job, she wasn't happy. She wasn't happy with the job at all, and refused to pay us. And she said we stole some screens from her house, and this was just a way for her just not to get. So long story short, guys, not everybody is your customer, guys. I mean, if you start trying to get every customer out there, you're gonna get screwed. It's gonna piss you off. It's gonna make you mad. You're gonna have problems. You need to go after customers that are your customers, that see the value in what you do and what you provide. Don't go out there begging people for work. Don't go out there begging them, hey, I need a job. No, guys, you need to go after people that see the value in what you do. I see so many people. I just heard it the other day. We offer the best prices. We don't offer the best prices. We offer the best value, the best service, and we're looking for customers that see that. So not every customer is yours, guys. If you are out there and you're getting all mad and crybabied out because customers are telling you, oh, we don't want to use you, that just means you don't have enough leads in your pipeline. You need enough leads in your pipeline to where it doesn't matter who tells you no. So with that being said, guys, get after the customers that are your customers.